This is Professor McQuade for Physical Education 1164 online instruction, and just want to welcome you to the course. This is an introduction to physical fitness and wellness, and this video is designed to assist you with kind of navigating through the course. So I'm hoping that this helps you a lot in seeing how you move through the course. So I've got my screen currently in my faculty mode. Look here, if you can follow the little hand, you see that I have a profile picture, and you have the ability in settings to set your profile picture there. It's important that you have a profile picture. It should be something professional in an online setting. And the other thing too is up here, there's this little bell. You can set yourself up with some alerts that can go directly to your phone, etc. And here's email, which can go through just D2L. And also here's some subscription for alerts that you can set these things up to help yourself out. So I'm going to go right now and put us in student mode. And so when you open up the course, you're going to see that you have an announcements page, and I've set it up so that the kind of picture that you see is the same picture that you're going to see when you are in your D2L. So for this course, you are going to have to be connected through McGraw-Hill, and in order to be successful, you have to have that connection. And this is an online course. It's done in 16 weeks. I will also have an 8-week section, second half of the semester, but this one is for the 16-week. So when you go to click up here in content, you see that all you have when you open it up is getting started and the syllabus. And this getting started in the syllabus takes you through, you can see when I'm clicking, I'm touching on here, it takes you to a syllabus quiz. And you'll take the syllabus quiz, and you can do it with the syllabus opened, all right? And in order to get into the course, you have to get a 90% on the syllabus quiz. And then once you get into the course, you'll be able to register through McGraw-Hill. And again, you can have your syllabus open, all right? The other thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have viewed this video, Instruction in Physical Education 1164 Online Required Fitness Assessment. So you have to have touched on that content in order to get into the actual course modules. All right. The other thing that you'll see is here's your syllabus. Again, you can have that open while you take your syllabus quiz. There's a getting started checklist, which will help you through your week this first week in the checklist. And then there's a weekly checklist, which you'll be able to check off some of the things that you've already done in your getting started checklist, right? There's a netiquette, which is a guideline on how to handle your discussion boards and discussion board expectations. And then here's your getting started again in the course. I'm going to go out of the student view because I didn't take the syllabus quiz. But what will happen is then you would be in content, and you've taken the syllabus quiz in the module with the getting started. You can also find Lone Star College resources, so several links to different resources here, which are also found on the syllabus, but these are meant to help you, all right? But eventually you will get into the course modules. Okay, so your course modules are 1 through 6, and you also have a McGraw-Hill link module. You'll click onto the McGraw-Hill, and from there you will be guided through to connect to McGraw-Hill. You have your weekly checklists, and each week you go in here in your checklists. You will see, it takes a while, it'll tell you exactly what you're doing each week. Here's, for instance, the first week, your syllabus quiz, how to add your profile picture. Please make it a picture as opposed to an avatar. And then you can also connect to a GroupMe app on your phone, which is really helpful. So you can connect directly to that on your cell phone. And you'll be able to chat with your classmates and with me through the GroupMe app. And here's some instructions for the fitness assessment, etc., that you're going to be doing. You're going to post to the discussion board. Here's content, your Learn Smarts. And this is the labs that you're going to be doing that first week. And then you might want to check out these extra credit options, which will carry you through the end of the semester. They're going to close like the second to last week, but I just want you to be aware of them. You're going to be journaling your workouts on a regular basis. And so I'm going to, I also give you a prompt here to, let's go up, to post to your discussion board. And then you need to make sure to respond to your discussion board, all right? So you need to respond to a minimum of 2 people. If you have any notes that give you any accommodations, learning accommodations or physical limitations, you need to put them in this notes drop box. And then also you should plan for your fitness assessment. You can click on this. This is your week 2 announcements, but I have them available to you for the week, all right? So that your weekly checklist will really carry you through the entire semester. Your course activities has your assignments. These are where your drop boxes are, but all of the checklists are connected to these drop boxes. So here's each of your assignments. All right. Also, this is the quizzes, is where the syllabus would be. Syllabus quiz is, and that's where your final exam will be. And I'm going to go back into student view because I want you to be able to see under grades. Here is where your grades would be. Okay, so you're going to be able to access that. Okay, so all your grades are there. And here are all your fellow students, so you can chat with them if you need to email them, so that information is there for you. And your discussion boards are also here under collaboration. But again, everything's linked directly with the checklists, okay? Okay, so I think that covers everything. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me. Again, your welcome announcements are linked. Here's your McGraw-Hill eConnect, but remember you have to take the syllabus quiz before you can get into that. We also have a Course Cafe link that you can go into that will connect you with your friends and your classmates. And a technology issues, which has the information for technology if you're having problems. I can't always help you. Sometimes Lone Star Technology is going to have to help you. Here's the GroupMe on that first announcement. Here's your first discussion board. Here is your online syllabus, and here's the quiz link. So you just want to click onto these things, all right? And then the student orientation online courses. If you haven't taken the student orientation online course, you need to take it to be in the class. I definitely will be updating these gym hours because they've changed. And then this next announcement for week 2, I've put it up there ahead of time, but I want you to see that I am going to be available for you to do the fitness assessment. These dates may change because I'm going to be using this video for all my online classes, but you would find the dates where I would be doing your assessments. If you'd like to come and do them with me face-to-face, you can do them in the gym with me at designated times, okay? I will not meet you at a gym. I've had people ask me that. Nope, I don't have time for that. I cannot meet 30 students individual times over the semester. It's either you come in and you do it during the times that I have here, or you're going to have to do it yourself and record it. Okay.